horsepower is it, mate?
The engine made 850 without the turbos.
Oh, okay, without turbo, so.
Yeah, and it's only making 5 pound a boost now.
Yep.
So yeah, it's probably making 1,000. I would have thought.
So you haven't raced it yet?
Nah.
What do you think it might do?
Should run a low 7. I would have thought.
7s, yeah. Jeez.
Still got a few things I want to do to it yet before we race it. Still needs an anti-roll bar.
Ah, yeah.
Some new front struts.
Yep.
Pretty.
Don't go too crazy, it's alright.
That's in second.
Wow.
It's pretty stupid, really.
It's crazy. Even with those massive tyres, you still can tell it's just a bit.
They're 15.5 inches wide, those
Yeah,
tyres.
and they're still a little bit
It's like on butter.
finer contraction.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Like it's quite good just cruising along
Yeah.
until it
Yeah, it's
comes
fine.
on boost.
Yep. Wow.
Considering what it is, it's quite drivable.
Yep.
That was great. Thanks for that. That's awesome. You got a crazy car.
Yeah, no, it's good fun.
Yeah.
Warren Ponds last weekend or whatever it was. Race car,
Yeah.
and they had the gas drilled out of them, and they're just 6-cylinder struts.
Okay.
So it's very bouncy in the front.
Yep.
So I need to get some new struts.
And what's the rear end?
Just coil over 4-link.
Yep. And how wide are these the wheels?
15 by 12s
15.
and a 3-inch back space. 15.5-inch tyre.
Yep. Just the street setup. You have a,
Yeah,
you have
I've
a full
got,
slick. They're the front.
They're the front
runners. Yeah.
Magnums for the front, and I've got a set of back ones as well.
Yeah.
Big Block ones for the back as well.
Full slick.
And the wheelie bars.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's set up to go.
Yeah.
So you reckon potentially in the 7s.
Well, it should. Yeah.
It hooks
do
up.
that pretty easily, would have thought.
Yeah. Oh, what a weapon. Because they're not, well, they're not that heavy, are they, really? I mean, you put a bit in the engine and stuff, but...
It's probably 1750 or something.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, so, yeah.
1800.
Put a fair bit of weight, obviously, into it.
It took a fair bit out, too. But...
Yeah.
Tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.